this area, which is the 4,500 area. And if we do, then we could be looking at the 4,280 zone, and then this line then becomes resistance, so we then need to try and break back above it to continue going higher. But for now, we're still above it, so yeah, it's still positive. Let's zoom in into the...
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome to Bull and Bear Hunter. We are looking at the gold chart. So as we can see here, this is the monthly view. We can see over the month we are currently down on gold, but overall, if we look at where we've come from to where we are still at the upper end and just consolidating. We also have a long-term support area, so that's been ongoing since January 25. So this line here, okay. As long as we don't break it, we are still potentially heading higher. Yes, we're going to have pullbacks. So we've had a nice pullback in March, a smaller pullback in April, and we are in a pullback in May. As long as we don't break this area, which is the 4,500 area, and if we do, then we could be looking at the 4,280 zone, and then this line then becomes resistance, so we then need to try and break back above it to continue going higher. But for now, we're still above it, so yeah, it's still positive. Let's zoom in into the daily and let's have a look at what happened last week. So as we can see, we have the big parallel channel, and we've come from the bottom of it, we've hit the top of it, we've touched the bottom of it, and we are trading sideways. So what we need to do now is just if we just extend this parallel channel outwards. So let's just take that from there, and there you go. So that's the top of the parallel channel, that's the bottom. We've sort of traded sideways, and we are now looking at the 4,400 support and 4,500 support as well. As you can see, on Friday we had this big red candle, so it's a fairly big drop on gold, but guess what, it's holding around this support area. Can it build some sort of base and mount some sort of rally from here? I suspect it might need to go down a little bit further. So if you get to about 4,400 to 4,350, then we should have the lower part of the parallel channel, which should hopefully become a strong support for the next leg upwards. Okay, so let's have a look at the 1 hour. If you like what you are watching and what we are doing, if you can just like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, this will help the channel to grow. So as we can see, this week what we've done, we've broken lower, so the 4,650 zone, we've broken below it, and we've gone into the 4,540 area. We went a little bit lower, during the day. So it went to 45.15 and we seem to have bounced off it. So I'm going to extend this 4,500 support zone, 4,500, as it seems to be an area that we need to keep an eye on. If it breaks it, then we've got the 4,400 to the lower end of 4,292. Okay, so let's just keep watching and let's see where we go from there next. Let's have a quick look at the 10 minutes. So nothing's really changed. We've got a little bit of support or maybe even resistance. So let's go ahead. So the resistance I've got, okay, it's around 45.60. So let's just leave that here, 45.60. We've hit it, dropped below it, went above it, came back in, touched it, and now we've gone a little bit lower. Now we just need to watch what's going to happen early next week. Will it drop lower to the 4,500 before it hits a support, and then hopefully it turns back up and starts to mount some sort of run back to the higher end of the chart. Okay, that will conclude the chart of gold for the week. So let's go on here. If you like what you're watching, if you can like, share, subscribe, leave your comments, as this will help the channel to grow. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.